Sometimes saying yes to a small good can snowball and blossom into something so much bigger than you would have imagined.
Blanchet House has been around for 73 years, and we really kept true to this idea of serving essential aid, basic needs like food, shelter, clothing, but doing it with this sense of dignity, of compassion, of really trying to help humanize the folks that are really down on their luck.
Some of our guests are experiencing substance use disorder. Some of our guests are experiencing a mental health crisis. Some of them are houseless. Some of them are just having hard times.
We're perhaps most well known for our meal program. We serve about 1,200 meals a day, completely free, as low barrier as possible to anyone.
It requires a lot of volunteers to do that. Sean's group is very regular, so I usually have them serving plates.
The Portland office has a lot of people that care. Staff come into the Blanchet House to have an immediate positive impact, but also a sense of humility, of being reminded about those that are less fortunate than them.
Not only do our volunteers help us serve more people in more ways, they really become important and powerful community advocates.
The longer I worked with the Blanchet House, the more I wanted to find a way to have an impactful foundation grant for them.
We also have 2 transitional housing programs. So one takes place in Portland in the same building, and then the other is out at Blanchet Farm.
The idea of the farm, it revolves around AA and NA stuff, but it's also physical. It's like we get to build things, we get to fix things. You get to work together in a group.
And so offering, 7 to 9+ months of safe, supportive housing where they can not only kind of get their feet under them, but also work on employment skills, maybe get their GED, really all the little things that it takes to live a really fulfilling and self-sustained life.
My purpose of coming here was I was out of options. I have used up everything over and over. But the thing is when you get here, you can kind of exhale a second.
I was homeless for a good long time, off and on, for the last 10 years almost. And a lot of the things that you end up missing is having security and being able to feel safe.
A lot of us guys, we don't have a lot to be proud of in our past. Working in something like that in the wood shop, it makes us feel better about ourselves. It gives us something to be proud of that we can show other people.
So this grant is funding the expansion of the Blanchet House Farm Workshop. Right now they have a woodworking shop. They wanted to expand it to have a metal shop, so metal folding, lathes, welding equipment.
But we're really hoping to not only create this space of healing, but also more of a pipeline into local apprenticeships, local jobs.
There's such a demand for any type of construction, but especially welding. If you get a guy that knows nothing, you can get him in here and kind of train him a little bit, get started. He's hireable. That's a big deal.
The big draw of coming here was I heard that there was going to be a metal shop out here. And a big part of my plan to getting back on track with my life, I plan to get my welding certificate and start doing fabricating as a profession.
So with the metal shop, it's going to help me build my confidence, give me something to be proud of. Also, it's going to give me the knowledge that I don't have. And that'll benefit me in the future when I go to leave here as far as job opportunities.
It's very powerful because I've known people that are homeless, and they're people just like you and me that have just had more bad luck. And to know that we're giving a space that will give them good luck, that will help them rebound and live the life that they want, that's priceless.
I don't know if people really understand how big of a deal this could be for guys. I keep saying game changer because it is. You guys doing this, that blows me away.
This is, not just the metal shop being a big step forward and a big programmatic enhancement for us, but the care and compassion that HDR employees bring down to the cafe every month is wonderful, and your donations will have a resounding effect for so many people in the future. So thank you. Thank you so much.